Hi everyone. I am Dr.D.Princy, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science with Cyber Security, Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. In this video, I am going to explain about the life cycle of a thread. Generally, normal program, a thread also have a lifetime. There are many states it can enter. It includes newborn state, runnable state, running state, blocked state, and dead state. A thread is always one of these five states. It can move from one state to another via a variety of thread methods. This is a state diagram of a thread. When we create a thread, it will be in the newborn state. So if you want to move the thread from newborn state to running state or runnable state, we can use the start method. From running state to runnable state, we use the yield method. Both the state are said to be active state. When we want to when we want a thread to move into the blocked state, we can use either suspend method, sleep method, or wait method. When we want to come back to the runnable state to running state, we can use the resume method or notify method. From all the three states, newborn state, active thread or ideal thread or new thread, if you want to kill the thread or if you want to move the thread to the dead state, we can use the stop method. Once the thread moves to the dead state, it could not able to continue, it could not able to reborn. Newborn state. When we create a thread object, the thread is born and it is said to be in the newborn state. A thread is scheduled for running. At this stage, we can do only one of the following things. Either we can schedule it for running using start method or we can kill using the stop method. From newborn state, it can move to the runnable state or dead state using start and stop method. Runnable state. When the thread is in the runnable state, it is ready for execution and it is also waiting for the availability of the processor. When the thread has joined the queue, when its schedule comes, it move into the running state. If all threads have equal priority, there are given time slots for execution in round robin fashion. That means first come first serve manner. This process of assigning time for threads is known as the time slicing. Running state. Running means that the processor has given its time to the thread for its execution. The thread runs until leave the control on its own or it is to be preempted by a higher priority thread. A running thread may be leave its control in one of the following situation. It can use the suspend method to the move to the uh, suspended state or blocked state and come back to the running state using the resume method. Sleep method. It has been made to sleep for a particular time period. After the time elapsed, it come back to the runnable state. When the processor gets to the thread, it move to the running state. Wait and notify methods. It has been told to wait until some event occurs. This is done using the wait method. The thread can be scheduled to run again using the notify method. So when you are using wait method, it go to the blocked state or waiting state, and when you use notify method, it come back to the runnable state. Blocked state. A thread is said to be blocked when it is prevented from entering into the runnable state and subsequently the running state. This happens when the thread is suspended, sleeping, or waiting in order to satisfy certain conditions based on the methods we have used to move into the blocked state. A blocked thread is considered not runnable but not dead. That means from the blocked state, it come back to the runnable state and get the processes move to the running state. But in the dead state, it could not able to come back to the runnable state. Dead state. A running thread ends its life when it has completed executing its run method. It is a natural death. When explicitly if we want to kill the thread or move to the dead state, we can use the stop method. This is called as the premature death. A thread can be killed as soon as it is born, or while it is running, or even when it is in not runnable condition. Thank you.